Hello kids! Today we will learn good habits and bad habits. Let's start. Good habit. Wake up early in the morning. Say good morning. Good habit. Brush your teeth every day. Brush, brush, brush. Good habit. Take a bath and stay clean. Clean kids are happy kids. Good habit. Say please. Say thank you. Be polite to everyone. Good habit. Eat fruits and vegetables. Healthy food makes you strong. Good habit. Read your books every day. Learning is fun. Good habit. Clean your room and keep toys properly. Wow, so neat. Good habit. Help your parents and friends. Helping is caring.
Look at these bad habits. Should we do these things?
No. Bad habit. Do not sleep all day. Wake up and play. Bad habit. Too much candy is not healthy. Eat healthy food instead. Bad habit. Do not use mobile all day. Play outside with friends.
Give it back! It's mine! No way! I had it
Bad
first.
habit.
Let go!
Do not fight with others. Be kind and friendly. Bad habit.
Look what
Do
I
not
did.
throw garbage on the road.
I shouldn't
Use
have thrown
the
the
dustbin.
trash.
Bad habit. Do not tell lies.
No, Mom, Dad.
Always
I didn't
speak the
break
truth.
the vase. It just fell over by itself.
Wow, kids. Now you know good habits and bad habits. Which good habit do you like most? Bye-bye. See you in the next video. लाइक और सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें. अल्लाह हाफिज़. बाय बाय.